my channel, Megan's Travel Diaries. So for today's video, meron akong tour na dapat sana kahapon. But yesterday it was raining, so today is my tour. So tuloy ngayon yung tour ko. So pupunta ako sa may Uluwatu. So total package na siya with the driver. Same driver the last time. So pupunta kami sa iba-ibang attraction. So there's a lot of attraction there in Uluwatu. So we will going there with the driver and the Indians couple. So ayan guys, mag-ano lang ako, magre-ready lang ako. Basa pa yung buhok ko. And then buti na lang umaraw ngayon. Look at this. See? Now the weather is good. So I'm waiting for the driver. Sabi niya, pipick upin ako ng 9:30. Tapos yung time ngayon is 9:14. So on the way na siya. So yan guys, update ko kayo. So yung Uluwatu pala ay mga water activities, beach, cliff, tapos may mga temples. So yan guys. Ano ba yan? Sige, basta kita tayo dun. So nandiyan na yung driver namin guys. Hi Kuya. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You?
You good? Yeah. Where's the couple? Is it inside? Couple, thank you. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Good. Where have you been last night? King's Club. Oh, it's a lot of people?
Yeah, a lot of people.
Oh, really?
Maybe enough is okay. You can put this in a seat for photo.